Hello everyone. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Physical Education अड्डा चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए। Friends, here I am with my new mock test which is latest updated according to the syllabus for the session 2020 BPED. Let me tell you, I have already uploaded 7 such mock tests. If you haven't solved it yet, go to the description of this video and try to solve all that mock tests. So let's start with the new mock test for the session 2020. So let's play the video. Question number 1. Who has been appointed as member of Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer of this question will be option number A. E.D. Janak Raj has been appointed as member of Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India. First death due to coronavirus outside China took place in. First death due to coronavirus outside China took place in. Who has won the Best Boxer award at the Golden Girl Championship in Sweden? Who has been named as the President of the Paralympic Committee of India? Which country announced to count the LGBT population in its census for the first time? Nepal country announced to count the LGBT population in its census for the first time. Who has been named Player of the Year 2019 by International Hockey Federation FIH? The world's biggest cricket stadium, Sardar Vallabhbhai Stadium, inaugurated by US President Donald Trump, is in which Indian city? Delhi has been paired with Dash under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program. Recently, NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, has banned Amit Dhaya for 4 years. He is associated with which sports? Who has won the ESPN's Female Sportsman of the Year award? Who has won the ESPN's Female Sportsman of the Year award? Which city will host the 108th Indian Science Congress in 2021? So Pune city will host the 108th Indian Science Congress in 2021. Which university topped the medal tally of the first Khelo India University Games? Who has become the second Indian batsman after Mithali Raj to top the Women's T20 international ranking? Who has been named as the Sportsperson of the Year Awards TOYSA 2019? What is the theme of International Women's Day 2020? What is the theme of International Women's Day 2020? Which state has topped the list in the installation of solar roof plants across the country? Which state has topped the list in the installation of solar roof plants across the country? India has been ranked under Dash category in Animal Protection Index 2020. Which team won the Ranji Trophy title? It is of 2019. World Consumer Rights Day is observed every year on. World Consumer Rights Day is observed every year on. Which country is host? Which country is the host of 22nd edition of FIFA World Cup? Tony Lewis, famous for Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method, passed away. Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method is associated with World Athletics Championship has been shifted to which year? Who was the recipient of first Paramveer Chakra? Who was the recipient of first Paramveer Chakra? India sent 6.2 tons of medical assistance to Maldives amid COVID crisis under Operation Kobe Bryant will be posthumously inducted into the Naismith Memorial Hall of Fame. Kobe Bryant was related to which sports? ISSF World Cup has been cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. ISSF World Cup were scheduled to take place in which Indian city in May 2020? Which country has topped the rankings released by FIFA rankings released in April 2020? Which country topped the FIFA rankings released in April 2020? Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to President of India? Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to President of India? What was the theme of Earth Day 2020? What was the theme of Earth Day 2020? World Games has unveiled a new logo and title for 2022 edition. The 2022 edition will take place in the absence of Earth atmosphere, sky would appear jaundice causes infection in what is the name of male sex hormone? What is the name of male sex hormone? Vitamin A is also known as Kanha National Park is located in which Indian state? Kanha National Park is located in which Indian state? Lucknow is situated on the bank of which river? Lucknow is situated on the bank of which river? Khasi Hills located in which state? Khasi Hills is located in which Indian state? National Science Day is celebrated on which day? National Science Day is celebrated on which date? Bharatnatyam is the famous folk dance of which Indian state? Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Who was the first Viceroy of independent India? Who was the first Viceroy of independent India? The publication of the newspaper Bengal Gazette from Kolkata was started in which year? Digital computer is divided into how many parts? Digital computer is divided into how many parts? Where is the headquarter of FIFA? Federation International de Football Association. Where is the headquarter of FIFA? So here is the last question of general GK and sports affairs. Where is the headquarter of BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India? So friends, here is the reasoning question. The correct answer of this question will be, the question was, from the given word, which word cannot be formed? Administration. From the given word administration, which words cannot be formed? Sorry. The correct answer will be option number B, situation. You all try to solve it, these reasoning questions. So the correct answer of this question will be as rung is related to ladder, in the same way twig is related to. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? If shift is coded as RFFBO, which word would be coded as LKUMB? If reason is coded as 5 and belief as 7, what is the code of government? As acting is related to theatre, gambling is related to. You all try to solve it. Average age of A, B and C is 20 years. If the average age of A and B is 19 years, then the average age of C is. So this is the last question, question number 60 for today's mock test. If in a year 17 June is Thursday, then what day will be 20 December the same year? The correct answer will be. So friends, we have finished today total 60 questions mock tests according to the syllabus of LNIP for the session 2020. This was my 8th mock test. For previous mock tests, link is given in the description of this video. You all can solve it. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home.